How to fix Meta Glasses microphone not working. So before anything, you're gonna make sure it's not an actual hardware damage. Uh, Put in mind maybe if you had it wet, or maybe it was dropped, or maybe it was noticeably damaged. Then in that case, it's a different thing, since you're gonna have to get it actually fixed, since at this point that would be hardware damage, and there isn't really much you can do about that unless you know how to fix a microphone in your Ray-Bans. But if it's not, you could try some other options. So the first one, of course, if you've been using it for a while, you can try cleaning your Ray-Bans. So the microphone should be found in the bottom. Sorry for this weird looking um, picture, but microphone is right at the bottom of the glasses. So basically, it's here. So you can use some cleaning stuff like a toothpick. If you're using a toothpick, make sure it is done carefully, since this could damage it even worse. Or you could use this, which is compressed air. If you have access to that, you can try using that. So try using cleaning methods for the microphone. Maybe it's just messing up with the audio. You can also go ahead and try resetting the glasses itself. So you can just go turn it off in any way, like putting it back into the case, or just closing the um handles, whatever that you call that, for around 10 to 30 seconds, or even a minute for to be safe, as long as you reset the glasses. If you want to do app configurations in your phone, go ahead and try that as well. So make sure your permissions are on for your Meta AI app. In your settings, you can always go ahead and restart your Bluetooth. So just go to your Bluetooth, unpair. If you are pairing the device, you can do that, turn it off and turn it on. Unpair the glasses itself and try pairing it back up again. You can go through the add device process again to make sure you've actually done a full reset for your glasses. Maybe that's just the problem. Again, if it's hardware damage, you're gonna have to get it checked more properly. But hopefully one of these can work, and if they can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.